Welcome back, Navigators. Today, I'm revealing a strategy that top traders use to catch stocks on the rise and stay ahead of the curve. Momentum investing. Investing in the stock market can feel like navigating a vast and unpredictable ocean. Some investors prefer the steady course of well-established blue-chip companies, but what if you could benefit from the power of a surging wave for outsized returns? That's the exciting potential of high-momentum stocks. Momentum investing is an investment strategy that aims to capitalize on the continuation of existing market trends. Investors who follow this strategy buy securities that have recently shown strong performance, expecting that they will continue to rise. It is similar to a surfer scanning for the perfect wave. They're looking for swells with power and momentum. High momentum stocks are like those waves. They represent companies experiencing rapid growth, creating opportunities for impressive gains. Momentum investing requires skill, timing, and calculated risk-taking. It is based on the belief that assets tend to continue moving in the same direction, either up or down, over a period of time, usually 3 to 12 months. Investors aim to buy into trends early and ride the momentum until the trend shows signs of reversing. Also, investors usually rebalance their portfolios after a period of time, either quarterly, semi-annually, or annually, to keep staying with market momentum. But the potential rewards can be exhilarating. Now that we've established the excitement surrounding high momentum stocks, let's define what they are. In simple terms, these are companies whose stock prices are rising faster than the overall market average. They're the hot stocks everyone's talking about, often fueled by strong earnings growth, positive news, and increasing investor demand. Think of it like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering more snow and momentum as it goes. High momentum stocks have that same energy. Their price increases often create a self-reinforcing cycle, attracting more investors and further driving up the price. However, it's crucial to remember that momentum investing is not about chasing after any stock that's going up. It's about identifying companies with solid fundamentals and genuine growth potential, riding the wave of their success while being mindful of the risks involved. Momentum investors believe that markets are not perfectly efficient and that prices do not always reflect all available information immediately. Instead, trends can persist due to gradual information diffusion, delayed investor reactions, and psychological biases. Identifying high momentum stocks is like panning for gold. You need to sift through a lot of dirt, or in this case, companies, to find the nuggets of opportunity. But don't worry, it's not as daunting as it seems. There are specific characteristics and indicators that can help you spot these rising stars. First, look for companies with strong earnings growth. Momentum is often driven by positive financial performance, so companies consistently exceeding earnings expectations are good candidates. Check their earnings and revenue growth, as well as profit margins. All these should be quite high, as they are the fuel needed for the high momentum. Next, pay attention to news and industry trends. Is the company breaking into new markets? Have they launched innovative products or services? Positive news flow can be a strong indicator of momentum. Finally, keep an eye on trading volume and price movement. High momentum stocks typically experience higher than average trading volume and consistent upward price trends. Use charting tools such as FinViz, Zacks, TradingView, or Yahoo Finance and Technical Indicators to visualize these patterns. Qualifying stocks are further ranked based on their past performance over a specific period, like 6 months and 12 months, and subsequently the top 5 or 10 performers are selected for investment. The idea is that if the stock has performed well in the recent past, the investor will buy it, expecting the momentum to continue. Now that you know what to look for, let's explore some tools to streamline your search for high momentum stocks. Financial websites and platforms offer stock screeners with customizable criteria to filter for specific metrics. For momentum investing, focus on screeners that allow you to filter by earnings growth, looking for companies with consistently high earnings growth rates. Relative strength. This indicator compares a stock's performance to the overall market or its industry peers. Price momentum. Identify stocks with strong upward price trends over a specific period. Trading volume filters for stocks with higher than average trading volume, indicating strong investor interest. Remember, these tools are just starting points. Always conduct your own research on the companies flagged by your screeners to ensure they align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. And remember to rank them by past 6 months and 12 months price performance. Let's bring the concept of high momentum investing to life with some real-world examples. Remember, these are not recommendations, but illustrations of how this strategy can play out. Consider the rise of companies like Amazon, Tesla, or Netflix. These were once considered niche players, but their innovative products, strong leadership, and ability to capitalize on emerging trends propelled them to become market leaders. Early investors who recognized their momentum potential were handsomely rewarded. For instance, those who invested in Amazon during its early days of e-commerce dominance saw their investment skyrocket as the company's market share and stock price soared. Likewise, Tesla's early focus on electric vehicles and sustainable energy positioned it as a leader in a rapidly growing industry, attracting investors who recognized its momentum. These success stories highlight the power of identifying companies with disruptive technologies, strong market positions, and the potential to capitalize on emerging trends. Ready to embark on your own momentum investing journey? Here's an actionable plan to get you started. First, deepen your understanding of momentum investing. Read books, articles, and follow reputable financial resources. Second, define your investment objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Next, select stock screeners and research platforms that align with your needs. A few of the most popular are listed above. Then use your chosen tools to filter for high momentum stocks. Then thoroughly research the companies that pique your interest. After that, begin with a small portion of your portfolio dedicated to momentum investing and diversify across different sectors and companies. Finally, regularly track the performance of your momentum investments and be prepared to adjust your strategy as market conditions change. Rebalance, do a new screening and selection process regularly. For example, every 3, 6, or 12 months allows you to stay with the newest high momentum stocks. Remember, momentum investing is an ongoing process of learning, adapting, and refining your approach. High momentum stocks offer exciting potential but come with inherent risks. Like surfers, momentum investors must navigate market volatility. One major risk is buying into hype without solid fundamentals. Not all rising stocks are created equal. Some are driven by speculation, leading to rapid declines. Use stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Diversify your investments across sectors. Spread investments to reduce impact of any single stock's decline. Also, the risk of price reversal is always important to be aware of, and due to frequent rebalancing, transaction costs are involved. However, many online brokers have very low fees. So, Navigators, you've now gained valuable insights into the world of high momentum stocks. You understand what they are, how to identify them, and how to manage the risks involved. There will be ups and downs when applying this specific strategy, but by staying informed, being disciplined, and continuously learning, you can navigate the exciting world of momentum investing and potentially reap the rewards of riding the wave of success. So embrace the adventure, start exploring, and see where the momentum takes you. That's all for today. Until next time, take good care of your finances, Navigators, and don't forget to subscribe and share if you found any value.